Let's solve this equation. Square root of 10, square root of 5x equals 10. So first is let's square both sides. And square also 10. So the square root of 10, square root of 5x, simply cancel this, and then we will have 10 square root of 5x equals 10 times 10 is 100. So next guys is let's divide both sides by 10. So divide 10 here and divide also 10 here. So cancel this one, since 10 divided by 10 is 1, then we have square root of 5x equals the answer of this 100 divided by 10 is 10. Next is we will again get the square of both sides, so the square of square root of 5x and the square of 10. So the square of the square root of 5x is simply cancel this, and we will have 5x, and then equals to 10 times 10 is 100. The next guys is let's divide both sides by 5. Divide 5 here. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, so cancel out this and we will have x. And then 100 divided by 5 is 20. So the value of x is 20. This is our final answer. Let's solve this equation. Square root of 3 raised to the power of x equals 9. So first is let's get the square of both sides. So the square of the square root of 3 raised to the power of x and the square of 9. Okay guys, so the square of the square root of 3 raised to the power of x is simply cancel this and cancel that. Okay guys, so we will have square root of 3 raised to the power of x equals to the answer of 9 raised to the power of 2, and this is 81. Okay guys, so next is we again get the square of both sides. The square of 3 raised to the power of x, and then 81 will be changed into a power of 9. So let's have 81, the base is 9, and then we have the power of 2 and raised to the power of 2. Okay guys, so the square of the square root of 3 raised to the power of x is simply cancelled, and then we will have 3 raised to the power of x and equals to the answer of this 9 raised to the power of 2 times 2. Okay guys, so let's continue. So we'll have 3 raised to the power of x and then 9 raised to the power of 2 times the power of 2, and this is 9 raised to the power of 4. So next guys is continue 3x or 3 raised to the power of x, and then let's rename 9 as a power of 3. So we'll have 3 raised to the power of 2 and then multiply to the power of 4. Okay guys, so continue. So 3 raised to the power of x equals 3 raised to the power of 2 times to the power of 4. Okay guys, so continue. So 3 raised to the power of x and then 3 raised to the power of 2 times 4, that is 8.